Okay, I'm turning this turn servo by hand, and you can see how it works pretty good there, but when it gets over to the point of no return, it hangs up, and you can see how it lifts the servo, and the whole plate there is lifting. So that's what was happening there. And you got to get it back off of that high center point. There we go again, it's working fine. But if it goes too far, see there, it hangs that servo up. So that can be corrected, but I think the whole plastic lid there should, see if I go around there, and it's gonna hang up. See, it hangs up there when it gets to that point of no return. Hangs up. So yeah, the whole plastic lid is really